We all need people to take action on our website, whether we want them to submit something or click on a form or click on another page. And this is often referred to as a call to action. And the call out add-on by BD Themes in the Element Pack add-on for Elementor does that in a very simple but efficient way. Let's look at that. I've got this site open here by Fernando Schmidt, who is a web designer, and he's got references here, and finally he wants people to contact him. And so we are going to look for the call out. In the editor, click in the search widget and type call out, and you will see it's got this little EP in the top right hand corner, which tells us it is Element Pack by BD Themes. Drag it in a new section. That's what I'm going to do. And immediately you will see there are 3 elements to this widget. One is your title, then a description, and a button. And those are the essential elements of any call to action. This is just a call out widget, not a hero image, but you can use it, of course, over a background image and make it a hero image. But this is very nice and simple. Right, so let's go to the button, and then you will see the alignment here just to give you the flexibility that you have with it. You can style it to the right, which it currently is, on the left, and then you can center align them all. And if I look at this page, I want to keep it center aligned, and I want to keep it this dark, depressing color for our web designer who's going to probably design my website all in black and white. And for that, I'll go to Style and choose my button. And then for the background color, we're going to make that also. Now that's not even black. Okay, there we go, black. And then our content, contact me for your depressing site. And then something over here. And then when people click on it, it will take them somewhere. And that's what you do over here. For the title, contact me soon, please, whatever. I suspect that's what a guy like him would say. And then add the link. And you can also add an icon if you want to. Let's find, oh yeah, this adjust gives me the black and white feeling. Good, and that is what the call out function is going to allow you to do. If I just quickly have a look here, and you know, I always get sidetracked. I want to start playing around with things. Let's add a background type here, see if I've got any images. This one, let's go for that. Set up our background image, and then size, cover it, position, center right, and then let's give it a minimum height. Okay, let's increase that. Let's drag in a call out over there. Call out. Drag it here on the left. Let's not obscure that guy. And there you've got the same. I wonder now, the styling, if you look at it, the button probably cannot go to the top. So if we drag it, okay, of course, a little bit like this. Go to layout, experience pain like never before. Trust me, blizzards aren't fun. And then here my heart will go on, near will go on far, and then let's say just experience pain because we're a little bit, and then over here our button, we are going to place it on the left. Well, yep, I'm not entirely sure. I probably should have placed this in the center, but I just wanted to show you that in case you did want to make a hero image, you can do it this way. It is not impossible. It is quite possible. And then over there. Okay. So of course for those, let's just always go and style these things. Experience the pain, description color. Also going to make that white, but I probably need to change it a little bit. How about this yellow? No, doesn't work on this one. Let's go back to the white, reduce, make it a little bit on grayscale. Okay. Right, call to action, not the ideal situation. I guess probably I should go and delete this column, just keep it in one. And then from here, if we go back to content and button, align it to the center, it will just look better. And then I can go and style, like my title, I can make that much bigger. Yeah, immediately. I didn't want to do this, but of course a Euro image is a Euro image, right? So there in the end, this is more or less the way we want it to look. Good. I will also, for border radius, just make sure my border radius is 0. I like sharp corners. Good. Callout. That is the callout function. If you want to have an idea of what they've done, you will see very similar to what I had shown you. There is no spills and thrills to this. You're not going to get the whole 9 yards on it, but you're going to get a very customizable standard callout feature with some animation and grabbing your attention. Very simple, that you can add anywhere on the page if you want people to contact you. That's the callout feature. And of course, if you want to know more about these add-ons, please click on the link below. That will take you to the website of BD Themes, and there you can go and check where to get the Element Pack add-on for Elementor.